So check this out. There's this beauty and serenity. This is the Bosque. So here we are. So what is Bosque? Bosque actually means forest in Spanish. And the cottonwood trees here need a lot of water, being that we're in the desert. So they grow all along the Rio Grande River, and that is what we call the Bosque. In Albuquerque, there are miles and miles and miles. I think it's like 30 or 40 miles straight along the river, cottonwood trees. And people come here to ride their bikes, to walk their dogs.
Oh, you guys are so pretty.
This is one of the cool art installations all along the trails in the Bosque. You never know what you're going to come to. It's a beautiful day, although it's windy over in the foothills. There are at least a dozen different kinds of cottonwoods that grow in the Bosque here, and I can't name them all. All I know is they're beautiful, they're gnarly, they're twisted and curly and have so much character. I just can't get enough of them. I come here pretty often during the summer, winter, spring, just to hike, relax, and enjoy nature. People also ride their horses in the Bosque, so watch where you walk. Since the Bosque is so huge, there are parking lots all over town on the edges, some of them very popular, so they're always packed. This one that we always use is behind a church. Look at those woodpecker holes. Holy cow. There must be a whole colony living right there. So there's the church I was talking about. And I think I can even see my car from here. So I guess that's it for the Bosque today. Hopefully next time there'll be some flowers blooming. This is only middle of May, so maybe a few more weeks. We need rain, 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 rain. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And in the comments, tell me what you think. What you like, what you'd like to see. Okay, bye. It's just beautiful today.